Hey guys, so how you can connect your Lenovo laptop to Bluetooth speaker? It's super simple. So first thing, what you can do is you can connect it with Bluetooth or with the aux cable. So when you're gonna have your Bluetooth speaker, turn on the Bluetooth on it, then go to Bluetooth on Windows and add a Bluetooth and Bluetooth. So this is the first thing you can connect it. If this is not going to work out, then you can look if your Bluetooth speaker got aux cable, and then you want to look on your Lenovo laptop for your aux. So you see right here that this got also the aux cable, and you want to also look here for the Lenovo laptop aux, and you want to locate the headphone jack, and you want to connect it, and maybe that is going to work out for you. So have a great day.